Hi, my name is Dave Chenault. I'm with Skylight Systems, and today I'm going to show you a new product we've developed for Office 365 called SideKick 365 XRM. Here's a quick look at our website at skylightsystems.com. We're system integrators and software developers located in Southern California. So let's jump into SideKick now and take a look at it. SideKick 365 has been built to help you get organized. It can not only help with the sales pipeline and the sales process, but also with projects that you're working on. So don't think of it as just a CRM. It's much more than that. It's a way to manage relationships and all the clutter around doing your business day to day. Let's jump in and take a look at how SideKick 365 XRM works. And remember, this is completely located up in the cloud in Office 365. The first thing you'll notice on the left is we have different modules: accounts, opportunities, leads, contacts, etc. Let's take a quick look at what the accounts module looks like. Selecting it, you'll notice the speed. Here's one of our accounts, City of Chino Hills, and let's take a look real quick at how that looks. The first thing you'll notice about Office 365 and SharePoint Online is how easy it is to move around and how responsive it is. This is a live demo. Across the top, we've got different elements of this record, including the people we work with, various meetings we've had, tasks we've assigned, documents, emails, etc. We'll develop a little bit more of this as we go along. Let's take a look at the contacts. In this record, I've got a couple of contacts associated with it. One of them is Pete out there at the city, and let's take a look at his record. The whole idea behind SideKick 365 is that it's completely built in SharePoint 2010. It's also very easy to maneuver around. You can see that it's just 3 clicks for me to get anywhere in the site. So let's just test that out. Let's see, I wanted to say all the emails that are associated with a particular account. It's very simple to do. I'll start off here with 1 click on accounts. I'll take a look with my second click to get into details. And then we'll take a look at the emails that are associated with this account. Now you're probably wondering, how did I get these emails into the system? SideKick 365 has got deep integration built in with Outlook and all the Office products. So let's take a look quick at some of my emails that I have currently in my inbox. It's very simple to go ahead and to integrate these into different items. Here's an email regarding some artwork that we had done. And if I want to save that message into the cloud, I simply click on an add-in we've built for Outlook. And you'll see it comes in. It'll present to me different items that I can see knowing who I am. I've already signed in via the client-side object model. And I can see various accounts, opportunities, leads, projects, etc. that I'm able to see in SharePoint right from Outlook. So let's go take a look at the accounts again. And I want to save this email into that account. So I just say send to XRM. And a copy of this email will be sent right up to the cloud. And now a copy is searchable and available to everyone on my team that has access to that account record. And you'll see a message here pop up in a second telling us it's been uploaded. We'll go back to the message. And then let's take a look back at SideKick at that account record. There's my inbox, so let's pop back over here. And I'll refresh the page. I should see a new email here. And there it is, needs some artwork. To double click on it, and I can view the email message. And remember, it's going to be searchable in about 5 minutes as the crawler works. We also do a lot of things around opportunities. So there might be deals associated with this account. Again, I could just click in to see that. And deals can have meetings and tasks and contacts just like accounts can. Let's take a look at projects. They're very interesting. So projects are a way to get organized, and you can attach these projects to anything in the system. A project could be something like the background information we have on our screens. It could be particular proposals we're working on, case studies, etc. So if we take a look at, let's say, a proposal that we're starting to build information on, let's take a quick look at what it looks like. These projects can be attached to accounts, people, leads, or they can be standalone. And again, they're going to have different meetings, different tasks, notes, etc. associated with them, and documents. Let's look at some of those documents. Here's 3 documents, and if I want to look at one, I just double click, and you'll see that it'll launch the Word app that runs in the browser. It'll take just a moment here to load, and we'll take a look at this document right here in the browser. And to create a new project, it's very simple. I just use the drop down. I can associate that with a lead, and you'll see the leads that I have access to. I'm sorry, the accounts, or we can take a look at leads, opportunities, or none. And I create my project header and then start attaching things to it. The last thing is security. Security is very important to us because you should only see what you should be able to see. We support the idea of managing security based on who you are and also where you are in the organization. Finally, we have deep integration with Microsoft Outlook at the calendar level, and you can see calendars here. These calendar items, let's go take a look at one. I'll come back over here, go to a calendar. I'll pick an item from tomorrow that I have scheduled. I have a meeting. I can now send that meeting up. I'll attach that into, let's just say it's that project I was looking at. Let's say it's the case study, and I'll send that out. And now if I go to that case study in SideKick, I'll have a copy of that meeting as well as it'll be on the main calendar in SideKick. Finally, let's take a look at the integration from Word or PowerPoint. If I'm in Word and I go to the home, I'm going to create a new document. We have built this integration in for PowerPoint, Excel, and Word as well. And let's say this is a document that I want to save into a project or an account. So I'm working with my team and I want to share it. Again, this is all going into the cloud and this is live. So let's just put this into that project that I'm working on as well. It's going to ask you for a name because I haven't named it yet. I'll call it Dave. And it'll take a copy of this now, it'll close the file, and it'll put that up in the cloud for me so that my team now can work on it with me. So we'll let it save. I'll close this down, and we'll finish the demo up taking a look at what it looks like up in the cloud. So I'll go back to my project. I'll take a look at that project, which was the pinpoint here. And we'll look at the documents. We should see a new doc up there. And there it is, my doc called Dave. I can open it up now, and my team can start working and sharing on it with me. So that's just a quick overview of SideKick 365. Hope you like what you've seen. If you want to know more, just come out either to the Office Marketplace. It's a brand new marketplace Microsoft's developed called Office 365 Marketplace. We're on the front page there. Just scroll down to featured applications. You can find out more information about our product. Or you can always go to our site at skylightsystems.com, and that's SKYLITESYSTEMS.com. Thanks for your time today. I hope you found it useful